So we start now with Daisy. What is Daisy? So it's a very new thing out there. It's crypto trading with bots and artificial intelligence. And if you know how to trade, currently you look a lot of time at your screen and you kind of buy Bitcoin, then you wait that they go up, and then you sell them again. And when they're going down, you somehow rebuy Bitcoins and so on, that you kind of win with the tradings that you do every day. And there are professional crypto traders out there who are trading every single day, 8 hours, 10 hours, 24 hours to make as most profit as possible. And they're calculating when to go in, when to go out. So when the Bitcoin price is rising, they try to be in, and when it's falling, they go out again. And Daisy is now the future of trading. So it's an equity crowdfunding model for financial technologies of the future. And more interestingly, it's completely decentralized. So what does this mean? So far, there have been companies in the world that you have to register, and where you kind of build this company somewhere in Switzerland or in Germany or in Norway or in Japan. Nowadays, you can do all these things with a smart contract that I explained you in the presentation before. And with this smart contract, you can do all the login features, the how many do you pay to the company, how's the payout can be done decentralized without any governments of any company, of any CEO or of any government. It's completely decentralized and working automatically. And this is a model where everybody can win, making profits, gaining equity and income, and it's fully transparent. So this is also very good, because there have been companies out in the world who claimed, yes, we're making so and so much money. If you invite other people, you will profit of them. And this time it's the first time that this is done completely on the blockchain. So you get your profits as much as you bring people in. And the money doesn't even go to the company, it stays within your pocket and is kind of automatically funded via the blockchain to the people who brought you to Daisy. And it's a currently crowdfunded project by Endotech, and Endotech is a company already some years on the kind of financial trading market, so they're not new, and they're doing with banks so far. And you as a contributor can also get exclusive stock equity. So when Endotech is going to IPO to a stock exchange, you will get and profit from the reward. So think about early investing in a technology company that will disrupt the financial world, and you can get your shares now and take also the earning with it. A little bit more explained, what is Daisy? It's a fully decentralized AI trading system. So you don't have to trade yourself. It's 42 algorithms that have been trained and working for more than 8 years now. Currently, they're doing this for banks. And Daisy AI is the next generation of AI trading, where you, as small and simple person, can invest some small money to earn of this artificial intelligence system that will trade for you. And also the Daisy AI will significantly multiply the current AI performance. So what they built here is really much better than all the old artificial intelligence trading softwares, because they are taking it to a whole new level, how to build it and also how to pay out the funds. It's the very first project that they're doing for crowdfund. So far, they're only working for financial institutions and banks, but this is also a good proof of concept that you as an investor do not believe in a company who's starting over new. They already exist since 8 years, and if they would do something wrong, the banks wouldn't trust them, and if they would be not making as much profit, the financial institutions wouldn't trade with them any longer. So here you have the bonus or benefit that they're doing this already since a long time, and that you can now invest. The Daisy AI wants to also get around 10 million for their development. So the artificial intelligence platform is ready now to trade, but they want to build this up to a social network for trading and to be really one of the biggest and most innovative companies on the planet to do this, and also further develop the referral plan, how to market this to all people in the world interested. And yeah, the target of the trading fund is 500 million. And the most interesting part is the first 3 days, they already got in 50 million. And so one of the most successful crowdfunds ever done in the world. And also, I think, really interesting that they are going so fast. And yeah, Daisy AI is Endotech's path to become also a publicly traded company. They don't want to be a private company anymore in Israel. They want to be now publicly traded and well known all around the world. So a little bit more, what and who is Endotech? It's a deep tech company based in Tel Aviv, Israel, and so far working for banks. So I also studied half a year in Israel. I have got to know to a lot of Israeli tech companies, and they're really fundamentally changing the the world, how it is going. So there is one company who's doing the background for Google Maps. It's called Waze, and it's kind of in a socialized way, really making navigation much better than before and how to see where a traffic is. Another company in Israel I got to know is Wix.com. They're really fast with deep tech technology, offering you solutions where you can build a website in 5 minutes. So also here Israel is kind of tech and pace setter, how to build modern technologies and how to make them accessible for end users. And also Mobileye is an interesting company out of Israel, which is making car driving autonomous. So BMW is now working with this Israeli tech company for making the cars driving autonomous. And Endotech is a company using artificial intelligence and machine learning for the financial industries. And as you know, also the Israeli people have been always good in finance and yeah, banking. So this is, I think, a very good first technology partner for the crazy Daisy crowdfund to start. And yeah, it's a global fintech company specializing in exactly these systems. And until 2022, they want to go public and be publicly traded there. If it is on a traditional stock exchange like New York Stock Exchange, or they doing an IPO in the crypto market, so going public on Binance or a token. We don't know yet, but you can now get your shares in the company and profit of the financial rise of this system. And they have a proven track record and high performance results. So this is also something good if you're new to the field and you want to kind of invest somewhere where you for sure can take out some profits. I think this company is really good. And what I personally like also, it's founded and led by the CEO, Dr. Anna Becker. She studied at the Haifa in Israel, one of the best known university for mathematics, algorithms and informatics. Also Intel and a lot of good companies in the world have their research company over there. I also visited the university and the companies and what they are doing. They're really top AI scientists over there. And also Anna won several prizes in this industry for trading algorithms and so on. So really amazing company in the background. You can go to endotech.io, get the trade bots also for you, but you would have to pay up to 120,000 euros to simply get the trading algorithm. And what they did here is now the first crowdfund that the 50 millions are getting traded by all of you. The most important question is now perhaps for you how to start. They have these algorithms, the Ethereum algorithm, the Bitcoin algorithm, and 10 altcoin algorithms already since a long time. Here you can see one from 2018, and they make a compound profit per year here of 2000%. So yeah, imagine earning around 200% earnings per month. This is a lot, and actually now you can already see when you log into the fund how much did they make. So I can see here my username and how much I contributed so far. and so far I was earning in now 14 days, something like this. It's running, and they're just starting now, so they're not yet earning what they expect to earn in the future per month. They're earning 20% nearly in the last 2 weeks, and with a total of 25 million they have in the fund trading, they already earned 4 million on top. You can see the daily wins and also the daily losses. So it's not that they're only making profit. The strategies can also go wrong a little bit, but you can see that the money is continuously growing. And this is the most important part about it. You don't have to look at your Bitcoin wallet every day and decide, should I sell, should I buy, what should I do? You simply let this thing run for you, and you make up to 40% or the 200% per month. It's also important that it's a long-term investment, so don't expect in 1 month that you're a millionaire. The system is expected that you invest now, and in 2 to 3 years you can have much more than nowadays. But you can in any month or at any second pay out your reward, so you can always feel free to test it. And they started already a month ago, but then since so many people were coming in and the blockchain was a little bit too slow, they had to fix a few things also on the front end to make it stable again. So the doors are closed right now, and it will reopen very, very soon. And then you can subscribe, you can get on, and from $100 on you can invest. You can then select, okay, now I want to select $200, $400, $800, and so forth, and invest more money into the system. Then the most important question here, also the last webinar of Anna Becker, how much can I earn? So first, in the direct profits, when they select, okay, on the 2nd of February, now let's go into Ethereum, and then it rises a lot, you take the direct trading profits of this. So here you can earn per month a lot. You can earn with the Endotech shares at the IPO. So I think also from here on, there is a lot to earn from this company in the future. But you can also, and this is optional, so you don't have to do it, you can invite other people and earn more from this. They have a 10 generations marketing plan for joining Daisy. They will also publish a PDF about this. What is the exact marketing plan? How does it work? How much can you earn if you invite somebody? And you also can profit of all the future earnings of your downline. So when you invite somebody, you get 3.5% of everything he's earning. And this is also very interesting. If your friend is getting to invest 10,000 euro and his money is getting more, around 2,000 euros a month, you get 20 euros per month from him, and so on. And when this is rising, you will even earn more. And the special thing is they also have a matrix and some spillovers and pay setter bonuses. So how they distribute the wealth is really, really interesting, and also making the whole community to rise. So you can decide if and when you want to go in, and then you will see how much you can take out and invite also other people. The very first 30 days you can make the pay setter bonus, and the very first 2 days you're getting a lot more from the global bonus, but you can see this in the other presentation. I also want to make you a quick go through how to invest, because people ask us a lot, okay, give us a guide how we can do this, because it's a little bit complicated, and there are 7 easy steps to create a Tron Link wallet, then to perhaps also add a Chrome Link wallet in your Chrome browser for your PC if you want this. Then you set up a cryptocurrency account. For example, we did here with Bitpanda. You get some Trons because it's on the Tron blockchain, and you send this to your Tron Link app, and then you register at Daisy.Global with your referral link. Also, normally really easy if you know how crypto works. You upgrade your stages, and then you can invite other people.